The first race of the year is always the most exciting. New cars, new machines, points reset. It was no different for us. Same car, new look. Corbin and his crew at Union Graphics killed it on the new design and install of our new wrap. 70s throwback. So much fun to have some color on the car. I gotta tell you though, lining up on the starting line, the pressure was on. There are so many talented drivers out there now. Our class, Pro Unlimited UTV, doubled in its average entry size, and for those of us that took off on the line.
Woo! Here we are, man. Woo!
Everything was on point. We took off on the starting line. We headed out on lap 1. We made some great passes. We pushed it hard in lap 1. Lap 2, we had some clean air, a lot more clean air, and continued to kill it on lap 2. Didn't get past the entire race, made some great strategic passes, and we were feeling the pressure. Being the first one off the line, oh my goodness. There were a lot of hungry racers coming after us. Strategically, we had a plan to pit after lap 2. So as soon as we pulled into the pits, Kerry started getting ready to jump out. As soon as we stopped, he unhooked, he jumped out of the car, and James Conscious jumped in while they were refueling us. The time he got in, they got us refueled, and we were out of there. We had a great, quick pit stop. Thank you to our pit crew, man. These guys are awesome. They're with us last year. They're with us this year. This Can-Am Maverick BFG KMC no limit built car was on rails the entire race. The suspension by Wayne at Alltech, oh my gosh, these Fox shocks felt amazing. The Parker 250 is one of the roughest races of the year. And for us to pull off the first place finish in the Pro Unlimited felt incredible. When we crossed that finish line and we knew that we had the first place finish, oh my gosh, it felt amazing. What a great way to start out the year. Huge thanks to our sponsors. Huge thanks to XPS Lubricants coming on as our newest sponsor to join our team for 2020. Couldn't be happier about running the original OEM oils, race lubricants, and having the cleaners to be able to take care of the car. You guys know what it takes to wash and maintain a car like this after every race. Super fun. Looking forward to the next race. We finished 8th overall UTV as one of our top finishes in the last several years. first in the Pro Unlimited. We're going into the Laughlin night race confident. We're going to regroup, get the car prepped, ready to go again. But just super happy with the sponsors that we have, super happy with the results of this race, and can't wait for the next one.